Hey guys, my name is Abid. Today we'll discuss on the topic of the rise of nationalism in Europe. Before we discuss this topic illustratively, we should know the historical background of the Europe at that time. I think so. The Europe continent had more than 48 countries, and if you look during the period of if we will look during the period of 1848, at that time the the Europe country had divided into multinational dynasties, and the country has divided into different types of the ruler, or you can say different types of the dynasties. For unified, or you can say for unite the nation of Europe at that time, that there were some scholar, or you can say that there were some people, they have given the message of the European people, that how you can unite and how your nation will become. So in front of you, there at that time, there were a French artist. His name was Frederic Sorio. And in front of you, here is the picture, and who have shown us different types of the pictures here, and their message were different. So firstly, if you look the first picture here, the shape of the people, they are marching just like as a train, and when they reach another picture, that is just like as a statue of a lady. One hand the lady has, one hand the lady has a charter, and another hand the lady has a enlightenment. And third pictures here is that this is the picture of the symbol of the Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. And the fourth is the pictures of the angels. Through these pictures, the artist given the message throughout the Europe, that what kind of government you should have and how you can develop your nation. So here is the reference of the reference has been given in screenshot. In 1848, Frederic Sorio, a French artist, prepared a series of four paintings, four prints visualizing his dream of a world made up of the democratic and the social republic, as he called them. So through these pictures, the artist want to visualize the people, that your nation should be democratic, that your nation should be republic, and who have shown here different types of the pictures. The first the first print of the series shows the people of Europe and America, and here you are looking that the people of the Europe and America, they are marching just like as a train, and offering homage to the Statue of Liberty as they pass by it. And when they pass this statue, the lady here in these pictures, when you found, and one hand the lady statue has a enlightenment, and another hand has a charter. Simply, the charter is a framework of the people, or you can say some enlightenment people. They have make the rule and regulation for the people, that how we can develop our nation, and what kind of the rule and regulation we need to develop our nation. And also here you will find that on the earth, in the foreground of the image, lie the shattered remains of the symbol of the absolutism institution. And there are so many symbols in front of you around the pictures. This is the symbols of absolutism institution. So simply you should be understand that what does the absolutism means. Literally a government. It is one type of government, or it is a system of rule that has no restraints on the power exercise. Simply you can say that when the people, they are governed by any kind of the system, or you can say autocracy, or you can say aristocracy, monarchy, that there are so many types of the cracies, how they ruled of that place. So there are the different types of the people. So here you will see that in Sorio's utopian vision, the peoples of the world are known as distinct nations identified through their flags and nation costumes. So when you found that utopian means an idol by often impractical, or you can say that it is visionary, that it is not practically implemented, and that they have their own symbols, their own costumes, etc. Leading the procession way past the Statue of Liberty are the United States and Switzerland, which by this time were already nation states. So during the period of 1847, we found that Switzerland and United States of America was at that time United States, but the other European countries has not the United States at that time. So through the figure, the artist want to give a message all the European people that how you can unite. If the other countries are unite, then why you will be not unite, and our nation will become a unite. So here you will find another screenshot. Here there are France who have also revolutionary tricolor has just reached the statue. She is followed by the people of Germany bearing the black, red, gold and flag. Interestingly, at the time when Sorio created this image, the German people did not yet exist as a united nation. So at that time, during the period of 1848, at that time the Germany, or you can say the German people, did not yet exist as a united state. The flag carry as an expression of liberty, but when and due to this flag, they have become also and unite nation. So here we will find that due to the flag of the German, they have given the message of liberty, or you can say liberal hopes in 1848 to unify the numerous German speaking principalities into a nation state under a democratic institution. Following the German people or the people of Austria, the kingdom of the two Celsius, Lombardy, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, and Russia. From the heavens, the Christ saints and angels gazed upon the scene. So, you also found in picture that there is the picture of the Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, and also the angels. And due to this scene, the artist want to aware the people that your life and your life is just like as the angel, or you can say you have exist freely in the world. They have been used by the artist to symbolize fraternity among the nation of the world. So the fault of the nationalism, or you can say that there was the multinational dynasties, and this problem was a great problem at the time, and you can say that it was the big conflict in Europe continent. And according, or you can say the through the Jesus Christ pictures and the angels. The artist want to give message the people of the world that just you are just like as the angels and the Jesus Christ in a one roof. So this chapter will deal with many of the issues visualized by Soroyo in figure. During the 19th century, nationalism emerged as a force which brought about sweeping change in the political and the mental of the world. So the message of the artist of the French, that's name Soroyo, who have given the message throughout the world or especially in European continent, that due to this the sweeping, or you can say from where we get the political complete political change and mental ideology of the people. The result of end result of this change was the emergence of the nation state in place of the multinational dynasties empire of the Europe. So the main thing, or you can say the main message of the artist who have shown in the pictures, who have given us that how that if there in Europe there is the system of the multinational dynasties, how we can unite. Then according to his view or according to his pictures, and the concept and practice of a modern state in which a centralized power exercised sovereign control over a clearly definite territory has been developing over a long period of time in Europe. But but a nation state but a nation state was one in which the majority of its citizens and not only its rulers came to develop a scene of common identity and shared history of the people. So the previous last video I have illustratively discussed that what does the nation means and how we can develop, that there is the same territory, that there is the same language, or you can say that there is the same religious, then we can say that this is the proper nation. This commonness does not exist from the time immemorial. It was forged through the struggle, through the action of the leaders and the common people. So guys, we have discussed illustratively in this topic the proper, or you can say the rise of the nationalism in Europe, and we have found that at that time what was the condition of the Europe continent, and also before through the pictures it is given the artist that what kind of the pictures you have found in this pictures, and what kind of the message the pictures given us, that how we can develop or we can how we can unite our nation. That's why, because at that time the system of the Europe was multinational dynasty system, or how we can eliminate the multinational dynasties system. So I hope that you will understand this, the proper or the what views I have put in front of you. You understand the meaning of the rise of nationalism in Europe. And if you have any problem, any misunderstanding according to this discussion, you can comment me easily, and you can comment me just like as a brother. That's why, because in future I will improve all these problem, and I will be provide you good exposure. And in the end, I want to request you that please share these videos, and also subscribe this channel. That's why, because in future you will get all the videos which I will made for you properly. Thanks.